fresh. It still feel like yesterday, but it's just one of those things. Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I'm giving you guys fresh, just wake face, just rolled out of the bed, and Buzz, and just made Tyler breakfast, and he's over here screaming. Buzz, what is it? So I just made Tyler breakfast, and he's here eating. He love plantain. Say hello. Say hi. You giving them plantains? Nom. He's having plantain and chocolate milk in his cup. Della, look, say hello. Can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello. He's obsessed with all these nursery rhyme songs recently. So that's what he's listening to right now. I am about to leave him while he's eating, and I'm going to get some laundry outside on the line, and then I don't know if I'll be able to get my workout in this morning, but let's see if I can get that done. Normally that's the first thing I would get done this morning, but I know I have some things to do which I don't want to put them on hold, so I'm going to do what I have to do first, and let's see if I'll have enough time to get even just a little bit of workout in. Hi guys, so Tyler is napping right now. I put him down for a nap, that way he won't be too tired when he gets to the daycare. So I have approximately 45 minutes to make me some lunch, have it, pick him up, get him ready, and go catch the bus. So of course I'm going to make a salad real quick, and for lunch I'm going to make a tuna salad. Baby, go. Go. Go, 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 go. Allez. Vite. Come. Go. Come on. Say hello. Say hi. Come on. Come on. Vite, 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 vite. Go, go, go. Go. Allez. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come, baby. Fast. Run, run, run. Go. Go, baby, go. Good boy. Go on. Okay. Go. Go, 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 go. Good. Go. Bonjour. Give me your bag.
Ça va? Ouais. T'es content de venir? T'es content de venir? Petit bonhomme. Toujours aussi souriant, Tyler. Ouais. Oh.
Maman, bisous.
Regarde, maman, toujours avec son appareil photo. Regarde. Hop, hop, hop. Prête à dégueuler la belle photo de Tyler. Eh oui.
Tyler, Mama, see you later, okay? Later.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Love you.
Mouah. Voilà. Les bisous de maman, tout va bien. Qu'est-ce que c'est ce sucre? Regarde, quand tout mélangé.
Just like that, guys, my big boys dropped off and now I am off to work. Hey guys, so we are all back home from work and now on our way to the supermarket. But babe had a really bad experience on his way home with Tyler. I guess he was more than embarrassed, to say the least. He's there in the back of the car chilling. He's very tired. I guess he cried too much. I've never ever seen him like that. Babe says on his way home he saw Jen, our friend Jen, came in the same bus, but Jen came off the bus before they got off, and Tyler saw her leaving and he would never stop crying, screaming on the tip of his voice, and he never stopped until he got home. So he was just crying, non-stop crying. He wanted Jennifer. Lord have mercy. Jen better adopt him. So we'll be giving away our child to Jennifer. Jen, you'll be a new mommy. Anyway, you guys, it's very late in the evening and we're going to pick up some weekend goodies because we have guests for the weekend, to say the least. We'll have a pretty busy weekend. Here I kind of went in a somber mood for a minute because my sister is the reason why I remember this so vividly every year, and some of my cousins because of all the posts on social media. Today makes 16 years that my life changed in a heartbeat. Who raised me died when I was 13 years old, 16 years ago. And that person which I'm speaking of is my beloved grandfather. It still feels like it was yesterday, and I pray God that I don't start crying, because every year this time I try not to think about it this time of the year too much, because I know the emotions I'm going to feel, and my sister always posts a bunch of pictures, so I can't run away from it. Today makes 16 years my grandfather died, and it still feels like yesterday. I can still remember going home from school that day, and I can hear my grandmother crying coming in the distance as her voice gets closer and closer to me. I can remember the heartbreak. I can remember every single detail of that day. I can remember how my life changed. That year was the worst year ever. and I remember it like it was yesterday. I always say that when I grow up and get older and find a husband, I want my husband to be like my grandfather. Oh, I'm a mess. Why I say that? Because why I always say that is because I have never seen my grandfather and my grandmother argue a day in my life growing up. You know how black families are, where you scold your kids when they're growing up and they be naughty? That man has never laid a hands on us. He's so humble, he's so quiet. He and my grandmother, they were perfect for each other because they were total opposite. When my grandmother was the loud and vibrant one like myself, and he was the quiet, humble one like my husband, is like the perfect match. And that man was perfect. He was everything. He was everything to my grandmother. He was everything to my family. He was everything to me. And I know that if he was alive today, he would be super proud of me. And I know that wherever he is right now, he's still just as proud of me. And I miss him so much. Oh, I promised myself I wouldn't cry. Yeah, it's been 16 years and it's still fresh. It still feels like yesterday, but it's just one of those things. Keep resting, Grandpa. Sleep in peace. I love you so much. And on that note, I'm just going to go ahead and end today's vlog, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and end today's vlog. And you know, funny enough, every time I look at Tyler, I see my grandfather through him. Come here. And the reason for that is my grandfather was slightly the complexion of Tyler.
Papa.
Look.
Papa.
My grandfather was the slightly complexion of Tyler. In Jamaica, when you're very brown, they used to call you a red man, and that's what a lot of people used to call him. And he had curly hair just like Tyler. He was perfect. He was just everything. And I wish, why am I doing this to myself? I wish he was here to meet Ty. And that is why I had to go to Jamaica recently, because I didn't want anything to happen to my grandmother, God forbid, and she don't get to meet Tyler. So I'm happy that's out the way, and I wish my grandfather was here to see him, and he would be super excited. He was a crier. That's what I can remember. He was a crier. He doesn't talk much, but he cry a lot. And it's good that I have Tyler, that I can see him through Tyler. So yeah, I'm going to stop crying. I miss my grandfather so much. You guys don't understand. But yeah, R.I.P. Grandpa. Rest in sweet heaven. Grandpa. Say Grandpa. Say Grandpa. I love you. Oh, give Mama bisou.
Mama.
Can you tell them bye?
Bye.
So we love you.
Hello.
Alright. On that note, guys, we're going to go ahead and end today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Catch up and keep up with us. Subscribe if it's your first time watching. Comment down below. I'm going to put Tyler to bed and get some stuff done. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Say subscribe. Comment. Thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.